Hello there. The weather across the UK had just warmed up, turned pretty sunny and was looking like summer. And this is the result. We're going to trigger some very intense thundery rain across the UK today, partly due to an area of low pressure winging in from the Atlantic and partly due to the fact that that low is going to get mixed up with some of the warmer air. Some particularly difficult conditions, I think, likely on the roads through the South Midlands into the southeast this morning. That area of heavier rain trying to push its way north. So we may actually be behind some of the heaviest of the rain across southern Hampshire by 8 a.m, but still some very heavy downpours to come across Oxfordshire, through into the London area, up into Cambridgeshire and through the Midlands as well. And for northern England, the wet weather beginning to settle in. Further north, well, for Scotland, actually a pretty good looking start to the day, particularly across the Highlands, and for the Western Isles, a bright start and pretty mild as well. For Northern Ireland, already there a lot of cloud around and some outbreaks of rain spreading up from the south, and some rain first thing, particularly through the northwest of England and for North Wales, whereas South Wales and the southwest of England are likely to get off to a drier start, maybe even with a little bit of brightness. But unfortunately, don't count your chickens, you haven't missed out on the wetter weather. Yes, the start of your day will look pretty good, the heaviest of the rain running away to the north through the morning, but then another band of rain will start to approach from the southwest, so that will push into southwest of England and Wales, and anywhere else where we get the sunshine, that's just likely to trigger some thundery showers. So really, aside from the far north of Scotland, a lot of wet weather around for this Thursday. Cool in the more intense downpours of rain, highs of just 13 or 14. We may hit 20 at Ascot this Thursday afternoon, but those sort of temperatures are likely to trigger some heavy thundery rain. It looks cooler here for the end of the week with more wet weather. Overnight Thursday into Friday, still a lot of heavy rain around, particularly to the north of the UK, but later on in the night coming in to the southwest as well. Our overnight temperatures, well, fairly irrelevant really, certainly on the mild, maybe even towards the warm side, but it is that rain that will continue to be a problem even on into Friday. Very little let up on Friday. That low still hangs back across the UK. It's windy, windier than it would normally be, certainly I think for this point in June. It's cooler and also it's looking very wet again for Scotland, parts of Northern Ireland, Northern England and North Wales. Top temperatures just 15 or 16 degrees. So unfortunately the outlook for the next few days, after the last few days where things have settled down and turned warm and sunny, are cooler. Some very heavy rain to come, heavy enough for some local flooding.